Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, currently wind advisory is up for Saturday, right through morning, afternoon, ending at 5 p.m. for wind gusts 45 to 55 miles an hour from the west. Could even have an isolated gust up to 60, especially north of Highway 18. Now, we look south, and that's where the tornado watches are lining up right now from southwest Indiana back down to Arkansas. Those go right through the evening hours, but the Storm Prediction Center just sent out a discussion, and they're thinking of issuing another tornado watch for parts of western Illinois, northeast Missouri, and eventually we may see a tornado watch issued here later this evening as the warmer air comes in. The unseasonable, record-breaking warmth comes in. There is the warm front on the way northward, so behind it, it is warming up quite a bit now, and there's the arc of rain and even a little bit of thunder and lightning moving through the area right as we speak. Like we were talking yesterday and this morning, a little bit of a lull for a while this evening, kind of right in this zone as the warm front moves northward, and then we watch severe weather to really develop southwest of our area and move northward this evening. So again, new tornado watch soon here. This will likely be another watch that's issued later on this evening as storms fire here and they also fire off to the west and all move to the northeast. So that's why we've got a pretty rare event for December with an enhanced risk up to US 24. That's a 3 out of 5 for severe weather and a 2 out of 5 farther to the north. Slight risk in the yellow here for our northern counties. And this is 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. for the first batch. And then we may see another batch between 3 and 6 a.m. And then after that, you get just the strong gradient winds coming in. There's even a moderate risk down here, 4 out of 5 for some strong long track tornadoes down in southern Illinois and western Tennessee. And this is kind of how the Storm Prediction Center forecasts this. These are the categories 1, 2, 3. We're in largely the 3 with some 2 in the area. And 3 means numerous severe storms possible. So let's dig right in. This is 9 o'clock tonight. After a lull for a while, showers and storms begin to come northward. And I think about 10 on, we got to keep an eye out for any sort of severe storms. It's not going to be severe storms the entire time, but often on bouts of severe weather. So one supercell kind of goes this way, brief lull, and then towards midnight we see a couple more come up from the south, and then a few more move through our northwest counties. Here we are at 1:30 in the morning. Other supercells and little bows coming through the area with a damaging wind threat, but also the risk of a couple or a few tornadoes as well. We'll have to keep a close eye on that because there's a lot of shear available, and with temperatures warming into the 60s, we'll be ripe for some tornadoes to develop. Here we are at 2 a.m., still storms around, and even looking ahead towards 5:30 in the morning, here's another round coming in ahead of the cold front up from the southwest as well. Then behind that, the high winds come in on Saturday and the temperatures tank. Facebook Live at 5:35. New blog post up by 9 o'clock tonight as well. And any warnings that we get, we will be live streaming and we will also have those on Facebook Live as well. All right, better on Sunday at 46, 29 Sunday night. But then we got to watch next week because more record warmth ahead and we may have some severe weather risk Wednesday night and into early Thursday morning. But look at the temperature drop. That's a sign of what's coming. Much colder air coming in towards Christmas and right into early January.